Now, now we are going to see about some applications of trigonometry chapter. That chapter oriented concepts we are going to see now. To solve this one, everyone is feeling very tough, but it is a easy chapter. Some basic knowledge we need out to solve this sum. Some which are asking related to this chapter, but it is a important chapter. 5 mark sums, otherwise 4 mark sums. It is going to come in this chapter. Case study, more or less we can expect from this chapter. But it is a easy chapter, we can easily solve. Follow the points what I am telling. See, for this one, first we need sin theta, cos theta, tan theta values, which you know already. From the basic concepts, introduction to trigonometry we studied, from that we learn this one. So otherwise now also you don't know the values, means you have to study, you must study this sin theta, cos theta, tan theta values. These three trigo values is enough. Then angle of elevation. Angle of elevation means the word they will use there in that sum. Angle of elevation means from one low level standing down and looking something up. That is only angle of elevation. Suppose we are standing any point down and one building is there, means in the top of the building we are looking that. That is only angle of elevation. This point only standing point, here only the man is standing and this point looking top, otherwise top of building. So this is only in this angle, which angle he is looking, that is only angle of elevation. This we are representing in theta, or some values they will give, that values we will use here. Then next what they will use in that sum means angle of depression. Angle of depression means standing some height, in some height. Suppose here in some height they are standing and from this height they are looking down. So this is angle of depression. So angle of depression means depression, what the depression you are getting by looking this sum, not the depression. It is angle of depression means standing some height and looking down. That is angle of depression. That time this eye level is there, no? There you have to draw one line and we have to make a angle there. How? Like this. Suppose the point is here, means suppose the point is here, one pole or some tower top standing and looking down, one car or something here. Okay, one car here means looking down. That time this eye level here, this is the horizontal level. And this horizontal level, this is theta. So some angle they are looking down. So this is angle of depression. Now this angle we don't know. Here alternative, this two lines are parallel lines. So this is theta, means this is also theta. Alternative interior angles are equal. That theorem base, this is theta means this is also theta. These concepts are some basic concepts. Some more concepts also there, that also we will discuss, then we will get into the sum. This next point we need, in that sum they will use the words building, tower, pole, man standing, bridge. These words they use there to represent that sum. So here building, tower, pole, man standing, how these are all standing in that earth? These are all perpendicular only always. Building means how it is? It is perpendicular. Standing like this only, erect only. Tower also like this only tower. Some towers are there, means this towers are, wherever you are seeing the towers are straight only, standing erect only. The shape is how it is, don't know. The shape may be like this or like this, whatever it will be, but it is standing only. If standing items, anything we want to represent means you represent a straight line. Okay, so this building, tower, pole. Suppose a man is standing from his eyesight, from his eye. Eyesight means the man, to represent that one, this man you draw one line. Eyes, you mean eye is here. So from this level you have to draw. The man height, maybe the man height is 5.5 meter, means that 5.5 meter you have to reduce from this original height. Suppose this height is, for our convenience, we will take 5 meter. This original height is 15 meter, means this after removing this 5 meter, this part we will get 10 meter only. So if this man is standing like this, means you have to do like this from the eyesight means. And bridge means how we will draw the bridge representation. Bridge is more or less, bridge is like this only, we know bridge. So bridge, it is not going to float in the air, no, we have to support this by making a line here to the earth. Okay, one support we need here, that support only one line. Now bridge, so standing in the bridge, looking left and right, both sides, left and right, both sides looking means that time this line and this line you have to draw. Okay. So when I am doing the sums, that time again we will use the terms, that time you can be able to understand what I am telling now. Now we will get into the sum. Okay, this is our first sum in the exercise 9.1. So in this sum we are seeing means a circus artist is climbing a 20 meter long rope. First, when you are reading the sum, you carefully see that objects, what are the things they are using there. Here you are seeing means first what they given there, 20 meter long rope. Okay, how it is the long rope, it is going to fall like this or going to tie like this. How they are going to use this long rope, that we are going to see here only, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole. What they given, vertical pole one will be there. So vertical pole, obviously it is standing erect only. And how it is, the long rope is going to tie from the top of a vertical pole. From the top of the pole they are going to tie and stretch it very tightly, that one. So there is no, it is a straight path only, straight line. So it is stretched. So the rope is not getting any loose parts, that one, it is tightly stretched very tightly. And what is the length of the rope is 20 meter they given. And find the height of the pole. So what we are going to do, height of the pole, pole is this one only. Okay, pole we are doing this one, this only we are representing as pole. So this pole height only they are asking, the height of the pole. Okay, height of the pole they are asking that. Then if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So angle made by the rope, this is the rope. So what they are giving, the angle made by the rope in the ground, this is the ground. Okay, so this is making 30 degree here. So the angle made by the rope making an angle with the ground level, in the ground level 30 degree. Now we represented this sum in a diagram, and this representation always be a right angle triangle, we will get there. We have to use the right angle triangle only to solve the sums. Here how many right angle triangle is there? Only one right angle triangle is there here. Okay. Now what is this angle? This is angle. Before that our basic concept we will recall. If angle is theta here, means this side is our opposite side and this is our adjacent side and this is our hypotenuse. The slope part is always hypotenuse to us. Same thing here also. This is our opposite side and this is our hypotenuse. So in the parts we are seeing means where we are getting opposite and hypotenuse, either in sine or cos or tan, where we are getting means in sine part only we are getting opposite by hypotenuse, because sine formula is opposite. Sine theta is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse and tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So in these three parts, sine, cos, tan, which is representing opposite and hypotenuse? Sine theta only. Why we are using opposite and hypotenuse only? Why not adjacent? Because we need height of the pole only. Height of the pole is opposite to this angle. This height of the pole is angles opposite side. So opposite side we are taking. If I am taking adjacent side means opposite by adjacent, it is coming for tan theta, but we don't know opposite value also, adjacent value also. So when we are using that one, at least one value we need here and one angle will be there. Otherwise something will be commonly, if two triangles we are going to take there means something will be which is coming as common representation, that we will take. So here we are seeing means we have this hypotenuse value as 20 meter. So opposite and hypotenuse we will use, we will leave adjacent side. Opposite and hypotenuse representing sin theta only. So this is enough for us. We don't want these two things here. Okay. So now we will represent, we will substitute the values in this one. Sin 30 degree and opposite is what? We will give some name for this one. Okay. ABC. So AB is our opposite side and our hypotenuse is 20. Sin 30 degree value is what? 1 by 2. So sin 30 degree value, where we can see from our table, trigonometry table is there, from that you have to learn this one. So sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 and AB by 20 crosses. No need to carry the 2 here because we are going to find AB only. AB is what here? AB is the height here. So AB is equal to, this 20 is coming up. So 20 divided by 2. It is 10. So AB is 10 meter here because length of the rope is they given in meter. So this is also the unit is getting us meter. So 10 meter is the height of the pole.